Reinsurance, what does that mean? What's it all about? Hi everyone, my name is Mike Rennick. I am the host for today's video. Welcome to another session of 2 Minutes with Mike. My guest today is
Mike Malyard, owner-operator of MIC Insurance here on Longboat Key, Florida.
And I'm going to editorialize for a second. We don't rehearse these, but Mike is the best insurance guy I've ever worked with, and I mean that from the bottom of my heart. So when we talk about reinsurance, what does that mean?
That means that the concept is Florida, due to its high risk of hurricane losses, cannot be insured by any one particular insurance company. There's no insurance company that has the assets to pay for a widespread storm here in Florida. The best example was Hurricane Andrew in 1992. Andrew damaged or destroyed 135,000 homes in one night.
Wow.
The companies that were in business in Florida at the time all lost 5 to 7 years of national profit from one singular Florida storm, which led to all those national carriers pulling out of the Florida market. That's when the model of buying homeowners insurance in Florida changed. Following the departure of the nationals, companies were started. These are Florida admitted carriers. Their model is to buy reinsurance from AM Best A-rated carriers. Generally 100 to 150 carriers might participate in these reinsurance packages, with perhaps 1% to 0.75% each company would cover for that Florida carrier's wind losses.
So let me translate that for just a second. What it does for the consumer, it allows them to get insurance, and it lowers the risk on the carriers because they don't own the entire risk, if you would.
If Florida carriers had all of the risk on their books, the first storm would basically develop a failure of the carrier.
So this is a resultant of the Hurricane Andrew that we had that you shared. And so now we have this reinsurance model, if you would, that allows homeowners to protect themselves.
Correct. So companies that you do business with, when you write a check for your homeowner's policy, they may be paying 40 to 60% of your premium to a separate reinsurance carrier who is the checkbook in play after a hurricane.
So if a claim occurs, is it the company you write the check to that you actually get a check back?
Yes, they handle the claim, but the financing behind the monies that you receive are from the reinsurance carriers.
And it's all transparent to the homeowner at that point, right? It comes from the...
It really comes from the company you're buying from. Okay. So all this is really hidden behind the scenes. So I think most people do not have a concept that reinsurance companies are in play with their particular homeowner's policy.
So this is to our benefit as a homeowner or condo owner down here in Florida.
But the issue at play right now, Mike, is that reinsurance carriers are very negative as it applies to coastal Florida risk today. So their rates are going up, their eligibility requirements are tightening. Companies are having a much harder time of buying that backing for hurricane.
So let's come back and let's do a video on that and talk about that. I always believe that these videos are intended to educate our buyers and our sellers, actually, so that you have as much information as possible to make the right decision. So I want to thank you for watching. Mike, if they want more information, how would they reach you?
I can be contacted here at MIC Insurance, phone 941-554-8909, email mike@micinsurancefl.com.
And my name is Mike Rennick. My direct cell, if I can be of any help, is 941-400-8735. Thanks for watching, everyone.